In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to host a website on Hostinger step by step. If you've just purchased hosting or you're thinking about using Hostinger for your website, this complete beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the entire process from logging in all the way to publishing your site live on the internet. The best part is that Hostinger makes this incredibly simple, even if you have zero technical experience. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, go to Hostinger.com and log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see your hosting plans listed. From here, click on Websites. Under your chosen hosting plan, click on Create or Edit Website. This is where you'll begin setting up your site. Hostinger will now ask you how you want to build your website. To keep things simple and beginner-friendly, select Hostinger Website Builder as your setup option. This builder allows you to create a professional website using a drag-and-drop interface, so you won't need to write any code. After selecting the website builder, you'll be prompted to choose a template. You can browse through the available templates based on your niche, such as business, portfolio, blog, or online store. If you prefer to design everything from scratch, you can also start with a blank site. Choose the template that best fits your niche because it will save you time during customization. Once selected, the builder will load your website editor. Now you can start customizing your website. The Hostinger Website Builder uses a drag-and-drop system, which means you can click on any element and edit it instantly. To change text, simply click on the text block and start typing. To add images, click on an image section and upload your own pictures or choose from the built-in stock library. You can also add new elements like buttons, galleries, contact forms, social media icons, and more by dragging them into your page layout. If you want to add more pages, look for the Pages or Navigation section in the builder. From there, you can create new pages such as About Us, Services, Blog, or Contact. Make sure your navigation menu is clear and easy to use so visitors can move around your website smoothly. Take your time adjusting colors, fonts, spacing, and layout to match your brand. You can preview your website at any time to see how it looks on desktop and mobile devices. This is important because most visitors will likely view your site on their phones. Once your design is ready, the next step is connecting your domain. Click on Settings, then go to Domains. If you purchased a domain through Hostinger, it may already be connected automatically. If not, you can connect an existing domain by following the on-screen instructions. This usually involves pointing your domain's name servers to Hostinger, but if your domain is already inside your Hostinger account, the process is very quick. After confirming your domain is connected, you're ready to go live. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click Publish. Hostinger will now automatically set up your hosting environment, configure your website, and install an SSL certificate for security. The SSL certificate ensures your website uses HTTPS, which keeps visitor data secure and improves trust in SEO rankings. In just a few moments, your website will be live on the internet. And that's it. You've successfully hosted a website on Hostinger from start to finish. As you can see, the process is straightforward and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.